Aloha, everybody! We're out here at the neighbor's house today installing a 12 by 6 foot concrete slab. We're also clearing out some grass to lay down pavers and pea gravel for a clean, finished look. Help a brother out. Hit that subscribe button on YouTube and follow the Facebook page. I've got some massive projects coming up soon that you won't want to miss. Let's get to work.
This is Phase Ed Music.
There you have it, a clean 12'x6 slab with a fresh broom finish, plus a custom gravel and paver walkway to tie it all together. No more mud, just solid work. If you like the hustle, help a brother out. Hit that subscribe button on YouTube and follow the Facebook page. We've got some massive projects coming up that you won't want to miss. Appreciate the support.